Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, viewers. Today we're going to do masa using Ghanaian rice, the normal rice they cook, just like our parboiled rice in Nigeria. So I used 3 cups. I had to soak it for 48 hours. After the first 24 hours, I wash it and soak it back. Then after soaking, the next day I blended it in the evening. I let it stay overnight. So before blending, I cooked a handful of the rice that I soaked and I added to it. I added the yeast, the sugar, the onions, and blended everything together. Then I covered it and let it stay until morning. I actually prepared this as a lunch, school lunch for my kids. So the next morning, I woke up and I saw that it has really risen and the masa is already formed. So I proceeded to frying the masa using my masa pan. You have to make sure you oil it very well, especially for the first time. So, and I go ahead to pour the batter into the masa pan. So after that, I allow it to fry because I need it to be brown on one side. Then I flip to the other side. I keep doing that until I exhaust the masa batter. I've already cooked my soup before starting the masa. I made groundnut soup, just simple tomato pepper mix with grounded groundnuts, and then I added meat and fish and one more that I wanted to add. Then I cook it until it is to my liking, though it wasn't very thick because you need it a little bit runny so that it can soak the masa when you want to eat it. So as you can see, the process is simple. You just pour to the level you want and then you keep flipping until both sides are brown before you take it off from the masa pan and you put it in your flask. So it made me almost, because this pan has 12 holes, so I was able to do it 3 times, which is like almost 50 pieces, 36 pieces, almost 40 pieces. So, and I packaged the children's lunch. I packed their lunch, and they took it to school. It was a yummy breakfast, I must say. Thank you for watching.